right, cool. So let's look at how this Euro GBP played out that we was looking at yesterday, right?
Word.
This is a really good example right here, right? So I actually got out of this trade like an hour, like
Oh
2 hours ago.
shit, bro! I forgot about the trades we put in last night, bro. Honestly, yesterday afternoon.
Dude, I
Well,
closed them
when we
out
was on
this
the
morning.
call,
Yeah, bro.
yep,
They were down this morning. I closed it out.
yeah. So they actually came down back down to. So I closed down right here,
Mm-hmm.
and it started wicking right here like 2 hours ago. So that's why. So you see, you. So why did you close out, Fernando? And where did you close out?
I mean, honestly, I closed out because when I was looking at the chart, I saw like the way that it went up, and it was at like negative
Mm-hmm.
0.94.
Yep,
And then
yep.
I was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna close this out, and I'm gonna wait it out and see
Okay.
what it's gonna do. And it just kept spiking like up.
Yeah. So this is where it's been. So there's still a good chance our trade might hit. To be honest, again,
Yeah.
these are one of those where I got out. So why did I get out this morning, right? So the reason why we put 650, I mean 700 as a stop loss, is because we entered down here, right? We entered off of this bearish engulfing, right, which is this big overshadowing black candle over this blue one,
Right.
which it drove in profit, but then it shot up. But remember, I told you that we can expect for it to come and spike back up here into the zone, which is why our stop loss would be up here, right? So when it came up here, I was actually looking. I had an alarm on my phone hit, and this was last night during London. I went to sleep mad late yesterday, like at 5. So I was up, and I actually placed another sell up here last night, right? Because it went to our zone and it rejected. I placed my sell right here.
Mm-hmm.
And then this morning when I woke up, I had put an alarm so when it gets down here. And then if you see though, the reason why I close, you don't close just because the trade is going against you. Because again, a lot of the time that's gonna happen. It's very rare the time you're gonna get in the trade and it's gonna go straight down, right?
Mm.
For example, if we was to get on the trade here, look how long it took for it to finally make its way down.
Right.
So here's kind of the same thing. And remember, yesterday we entered the trade around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, around this time. And remember, what did I tell you? It was going to start dancing around the zone,
Mm-hmm.
Right.
right? That's usually what happens. So why did I close my trade this morning on the sell, right? Not because it went against me. Again, when it went against me, I actually started telling myself, like, all right, let's see if we get a better entry price for ourselves instead of down here, which I did. Right. So I wasn't thinking scared. I was thinking more opportunity.
Mm.
Once I was in profit, which is down here, right? Once the market got down here, if you see, what did it start forming now? This happened yesterday, which it didn't raise a lot of alarm. This happened last night, which was the last bounce. So I enter here. But now this morning, it came here and it's been holding here for 4 hours.
That's the new
So
resistance,
now,
isn't it?
so now I see a support.
Yeah.
See, I don't think it wants to break that. Remember what I told you yesterday? The only thing you could be scared of is if it comes and it doesn't break. And so now we kind of have proof of that, right? So now that I'm in profit, now I'm thinking like, all right, um, greedy Chris is saying let's just hold until it goes down here. But realistic Chris is saying don't ignore what the graph is showing you, right? And price is obviously not breaking here. So what
Right.
I did is I closed my sell and I actually entered a buy here. Why?
Uh,
Because I had a little bit of risk. I still have a little bit of risk to enter this trade.